375 million people will need to change careers or learn entirely new skills by 2030. That's not a prediction. It's a conclusion from McKinsey Global Institute based on analyzing automation trends across every major industry. Think about that number for a moment. 375 million workers. That's more than the entire population of the United States. Within just a few years, nearly 1 in every 20 workers globally will face a fundamental choice: adapt by learning new skills or risk becoming unemployable in their current field. But here's what most headlines miss about this transformation. While some jobs disappear, the same research shows that 97 million entirely new jobs will emerge, many in fields that barely exist today. The real story isn't about mass unemployment. It's about the greatest skills migration in human history. And the people who understand this shift early, who position themselves correctly, will find opportunities that previous generations never imagined. Understanding which skills are declining, which are rising, and how to navigate this transition could be the most valuable career decision you ever make. The year is 2014, and a hotel chain deploys the world's first robotic concierge in California. The robot, standing about 4 feet tall, can check guests in, answer questions about the hotel, and even deliver items to rooms. Welcome to Bold Bucks Official. We analyze the economic transformations that create both challenges and opportunities in the modern world. If you want to understand how to thrive in the age of artificial intelligence, subscribe now. This video will reveal exactly which skills are becoming obsolete, which are becoming invaluable, and how you can position yourself for success regardless of your current career. Let's start by understanding what's actually changing in the workplace and why. Artificial intelligence and automation excel at tasks that follow predictable patterns and can be broken down into clear steps. Data entry, basic financial analysis, simple customer service inquiries, routine legal document review, and basic content creation all fall into this category. These tasks don't necessarily require low intelligence. They simply follow patterns that machines can learn and replicate. A Goldman Sachs report estimates that AI could automate 25% of all work tasks in the United States and Europe. That doesn't mean 25% unemployment. It means that a quarter of the activities people currently do at work could be handled by machines. This creates pressure on workers to shift toward tasks that machines can't easily replicate. Let's look at specific industries to see how this plays out. In manufacturing, robots have been replacing assembly line workers for decades, but now the shift is accelerating. An MIT and Boston University study projects that AI will replace as many as 2 million manufacturing workers by These aren't just manual labor jobs. They include quality control inspections, inventory management, and production scheduling, roles that require technical knowledge but follow predictable patterns. In financial services, AI systems now analyze insurance applications, detect fraud, and even recommend investment portfolios. Tasks that once required human analysts studying spreadsheets for hours can now be completed by algorithms in seconds. Entry-level positions in banking and insurance. Traditionally, pathways to career advancement are shrinking as automation handles routine analysis. In logistics and warehousing, Amazon and other companies have deployed hundreds of thousands of robots that retrieve products, pack boxers, and even load delivery trucks. Online retail continues growing, but the human workforce needed to support that growth is increasingly automated. In healthcare administration, AI handles appointment scheduling, insurance verification, and initial patient intake, freeing medical staff for direct patient care but eliminating administrative positions. Even creative industries aren't immune. AI tools can now generate basic written content, design simple graphics, compose background music, and edit video footage. While these tools haven't replaced creative professionals, they've made routine creative work far less valuable. But here's the critical insight that most people miss. Every technological revolution in history has followed the same pattern. Some jobs disappear, but new jobs always emerge. The question isn't whether jobs will exist. It's what kind of jobs will exist and what skills they'll require. The World Economic Forum predicts that while 85 million jobs may be displaced by AI and automation by 2025, 97 million new jobs will be created. That's a net positive of 12 million jobs globally. But those new jobs require fundamentally different skills than the jobs being displaced. This creates a skills gap, where workers trained for yesterday's economy find themselves unprepared for tomorrow's opportunities. So which skills are declining in value? First, routine information processing, basic data entry, simple analysis that follows templates, and standardized report generation are all being automated rapidly. Workers who built careers around processing information according to established procedures face declining demand. Second, routine customer service. AI chatbots and voice assistants now handle millions of customer interactions daily, resolving simple problems without human intervention. Call center positions for basic inquiries are shrinking across industries. Third, routine physical tasks. Assembly line work, warehouse picking, delivery driving, and even some aspects of food preparation are increasingly automated through robotics and AI systems. Fourth, basic content creation. Writing simple news reports, creating basic graphics, and producing template-based content can now be done by AI tools, reducing demand for entry-level creative work. But here's the encouraging news. The skills that are increasing in value are uniquely human capabilities that machines struggle to replicate. Creative problem solving and innovation top the list. I can optimize existing processes but struggles to imagine entirely new approaches or breakthrough innovations. Workers who can identify problems, envision novel solutions, and think creatively remain invaluable. Emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills become more valuable as automation handles transactional tasks. Leadership, negotiation, empathy, team building, and the ability to navigate complex human relationships can't be programmed into machines. Critical thinking and judgment in ambiguous situations separate humans from AI. Machines excel when problems are well-defined, but real-world business challenges often involve incomplete information, conflicting objectives, and nuanced judgment calls that require human wisdom. Complex communication that persuades, inspires, and builds consensus remains a uniquely human skill. While AI can generate text, it struggles with reading audience reactions, adjusting tone for different contexts, and crafting messages that create emotional resonance. And perhaps most importantly, the ability to learn new skills quickly. What researchers call learning agility becomes a critical capability. In a world where job requirements change rapidly, workers who can acquire new competencies efficiently have tremendous advantages. Now, let's discuss the specific skills that are seeing explosive demand across industries. Information technology and computer science skills lead the demand surge. More than half of all new skill requirements in job postings relate to IT capabilities, not just programming, but also understanding how to work with AI systems, cloud platforms, and data infrastructure. AI-specific skills command significant wage premiums. Workers who understand machine learning, natural language processing, and AI system design earn substantially more than peers in similar roles without these capabilities. However, research shows an interesting paradox. While AI skills command higher wages, they haven't created widespread employment growth yet. In fact, regions with high demand for AI skills show lower overall employment in AI-vulnerable occupations. This suggests that AI is currently more about productivity improvement than job creation, at least in the short term. Data analysis and interpretation skills remain critical. As organizations collect vast amounts of information, they need professionals who can extract meaningful insights and translate data into strategic recommendations. This isn't just about running statistical models, it's about asking the right questions and communicating findings to non-technical stakeholders. Cybersecurity expertise faces explosive demand as digital transformation expands. Organizations need professionals who can protect networks, identify vulnerabilities, and respond to increasingly sophisticated threats. Skills in AI integration and workflow optimization are emerging rapidly. Companies need people who can evaluate which tasks should be automated, how to integrate AI tools into existing processes, and how to ensure humans and machines collaborate effectively. These roles require understanding both the technology and the business context in which it operates. Healthcare skills that combine technical knowledge with human interaction remain in high demand. Nurses, physical therapists, and specialized medical technicians perform tasks requiring both technical expertise and emotional intelligence that machines can't replicate. Skilled trades are experiencing a renaissance as physical infrastructure requires human craftspeople. Electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, and construction specialists remain difficult to automate because their work requires complex physical problem-solving in variable environments. So what should workers do to prepare for this transformation? First, assess your current role honestly. Ask yourself, could the tasks I perform be broken down into clear steps and patterns that a machine could learn? If yes, you're in an occupation vulnerable to automation and should begin planning your transition now rather than waiting until displacement forces your hand. Second, identify which of your existing skills transfer to higher value work. Most workers have capabilities beyond their current job description that could be applied in new contexts. Project management, client relationships, industry knowledge, and specialized expertise all have value even as specific tasks get automated. Third, commit to continuous learning as a permanent career strategy. The days of learning skills once and using them for 40 years are over. Successful workers in the AI era treat education as an ongoing process, constantly acquiring new competencies to stay relevant. Fourth, prioritize skills that complement AI rather than compete with it. Instead of trying to be better than machines at data processing, focus on skills where humans and AI work together. Learn to use AI tools effectively, interpret their outputs critically, and apply human judgment to machine-generated insights. Fifth, develop technical literacy even if you're not in a technical role. You don't need to become a programmer, but understanding how technology works, what it can and can't do, and how to work effectively with technical teams provides significant advantages. Sixth, strengthen uniquely human capabilities that machines struggle with. Invest in improving your communication, emotional intelligence, creative thinking, and ability to navigate ambiguous situations. These skills become more valuable as automation handles routine tasks. Let's talk about practical steps for implementing these strategies. If you're currently employed, negotiate with your employer for training opportunities. Many companies recognize the need to upskill their workforce and will invest in employee development if asked. Explore whether your employer offers tuition, reimbursement, professional development budgets, or partnerships with online learning platforms. If you're considering a career change, research which industries and roles show strong growth trajectories. Healthcare, renewable energy, cybersecurity, data science, and AI integration roles all show robust demand projections through 2030. Choose fields where automation creates new opportunities rather than just displacement. Leverage online learning platforms to acquire new skills efficiently. Platforms offering courses in programming, data analysis, AI fundamentals, and business skills provide accessible paths to new. The key is choosing courses that lead to recognized credentials or demonstrable skills rather than just certificates of completion. Consider community colleges and vocational programs for skilled trades. These programs typically cost less than four-year degrees and lead directly to employment in fields with strong demand and good wages. Build a portfolio demonstrating your capabilities rather than relying solely on resumes. In fields like data analysis, design, and programming, showing examples of actual work often matters more than traditional credentials. Network strategically in growth industries, attend industry conferences, join professional associations, and connect with people working in fields where you want to transition. Many job opportunities come through personal connections rather than public job postings. Here's what the research tells us about who thrives during periods of technological disruption. Countries with strong investments in tertiary education and lifelong learning programs position their workforces most effectively. Finland, Ireland, and Denmark top the skill readiness rankings because they've built systems supporting continuous education throughout careers. Individuals with learning agility, the ability to pick up new skills quickly and apply them across different contexts, show the most resilience during transitions. This capability can be developed through practice but requires embracing discomfort and uncertainty rather than staying in comfortable, familiar patterns. Organizations that invest proactively in reskilling their workforce rather than simply hiring new workers with different skills maintain better employee morale and retention. Companies treating workforce development as strategic investment outperform those viewing workers as interchangeable resources. Young people just entering the workforce face particular challenges because entry-level positions have the highest exposure to automation. The traditional career path of starting in routine roles and advancing to complex ones is disrupted when automation eliminates the entry points. This means education systems must prepare students for mid-career complexity rather than assuming they'll learn on the job through graduated exposure. The transition to an AI-powered economy creates what economists call transitional friction, even if new jobs emerge to replace displaced ones. There's a gap period where workers need time, resources, and support to transition between roles. This friction can create significant hardship for individuals and families, which is why policy interventions around education access, income support during transitions, and job matching become critically important. But for individuals who prepare proactively, this transformation creates extraordinary opportunities. New industries emerging from AI applications will need millions of workers to design, implement, manage, and optimize these systems. Companies applying AI to solve problems in healthcare, education, climate change, and countless other fields will hire people who understand both the technology and the domain. The key insight is this: the great skill shift isn't about humans becoming obsolete. It's about humans evolving to focus on capabilities where we add unique value. Machines don't get tired of repetitive tasks, so let them handle those. Machines don't experience burnout from processing data, so let them do that work. This frees humans to focus on creativity, strategy, relationship building, and complex problem solving, where we excel. The workers who thrive will be those who embrace this partnership between human and machine rather than viewing it as a competition. Understanding which skills machines replace and which skills machines amplify is the foundation for making smart career decisions in the age of artificial intelligence. If you found this analysis valuable, like this video to help others navigate this transformation, subscribe to BoldBucks Official for insights on adapting to economic shifts and building careers in the AI era. Comment below. Which skill are you currently developing to prepare for the future of work? Sharing your journey helps others chart their own path through this transition.